All right, big change for today is we are making a change in our masking executive order. So in July, I signed an executive order requiring Kentuckians to wear facial coverings in public to slow the spread of COVID and to protect one another. It worked. It worked. It has significantly decreased our cases. It has decreased our deaths. But where we are now is having significantly more Kentuckians vaccinated and having seen more data that is out there. Now, let's be clear. You still need to wear a mask, and you'll still be required under the executive order when you are inside any facility with people that are outside of your family. So you'll still need to wear one at work. You'll still need to wear one at the grocery store. You'll still need to wear one at the drugstore. But starting tomorrow, the mask mandate is no longer in effect for Kentuckians that are outdoors at events of 1,000 people or less. It still is in effect for events greater than 1,000. So what this means is things like the soccer game tonight, you still have to wear a mask because there are so many people together. Things like the Kentucky Derby, you still have to wear a mask. I spoke to the CEO of the Kentucky Derby of Churchill Downs today. We agree that with the number of people that their masking rules must continue. They are committed to it and committed to doing it safely. But based on both where we are on vaccinations and what we have seen in recent data, it means if you are at a backyard barbecue, if you're at your community pool, if you are at an outdoor wedding, especially if you are vaccinated, you are not required to wear a mask. Now, if you are not vaccinated and you are at an event where people are less than 6 feet apart outside, we recommend you wear a mask. Actually, we recommend you get vaccinated. But that will be a decision for your own safety in that outdoor environment. But what we think where we are now is especially those that are vaccinated are really safe outside as long as the group isn't over 1,000 people and creates that extra density. We hope that this is a relief. I can tell my son's baseball team, whose parents have been wearing masks religiously at each and every one of those games, that we've reached the point now where we have enough people vaccinated where they can take them off, given that we've never had 50 fans, much less 1,000. So if you're standing on the sidelines of a soccer game, again, if you're comfortable, especially if you're vaccinated, at this point we're no longer requiring wearing a mask at those points.